Xinlei is a high-tech enterprise focusing on the field of aerodynamics. Through the joint efforts of Xinlei people, we have achieved the full coverage from piston, screw, centrifugal plate. From following to surpassing, from breakthrough to leading, the development history of Xinlei is the epitome of the growth and struggle of Chinese industrial enterprises. By September 30, 2022, Xinlei's energy-saving equipment had been operating for 210 million hours, saving 2.2 billion kilowatt-hours of electricity annually, equivalent to planting 102 million trees. This is the space for the symbiotic growth of human beings and ecology planted by Xinlei and its global customer partners. It bears witness to our commitment not to choose between development and ecology.
Xinlei high-speed permanent magnet centrifugal technology enabling PCB, high-quality development of semiconductor industry, attaches importance to the efficiency energy saving, intelligence of the whole process, and by providing low-carbon factories with systematic intelligent energy-saving equipment, technical support and whole process services, promote the green and sustainable development of the industrial field.
The industrial development assisted by Xinlei is efficient, energy-saving, and sustainable.
Xinlei Aerodynamics, with cutting-edge technology, makes intelligent agriculture within reach.
A new round of scientific and technological revolution and industrial transformation is booming. We look forward to using intelligent technology to help human carbon-neutral cars and create digital intelligent fluid ecology with global customers and partners.
Xinlei is an inextricable air compressor production and export enterprise in the industry. By taking advantage of large-scale manufacturing of the most widely used energy-saving products, we maintain reasonable profits for enterprises, increase market penetration, and promote the transformation and upgrading of traditional manufacturing industries.
We are facing a very large industrial upgrading in the rigid demand market and a series of national energy-saving and environmental protection policies. We hope to continue to work with China and the industry to open a new bureau.
Innovation is the core of every breakthrough of Xinlei. I often tell the team to be bold and open. With the platform support of Fluid Machinery and Provincial Enterprise Research Institute, our company has formed a complete technical system in the field of aerodynamic products and mastered the independent research, development, and design capabilities of core components.
The breakthrough of Xinlei is the high-efficiency micro-series line, which integrates the coaxial integrated drive technology and keeps iterating to embrace the demand for higher energy efficiency.
The breakthrough of Xinlei is the digital transformation, so that the users are empowered to achieve ecological management, the whole station energy saving.
Xinlei's breakthrough is the 3 centrifugal bearings, widely adapted to the aerodynamic needs of different industries. Magnetic levitation multi-stages centrifugal technology has revolutionized the current situation that there are only foreign brands in the oil-free atmospheric pressure field.
Innovation is to go to a no man's land. There are endless possibilities, and what we hope to do, and what we are doing, is to find more possibilities for aerodynamics with the innovation genes passed down from generation to generation.
From the laboratory to the factory, it is a link that has the precision of integrated collaboration. Xinlei is one of the few enterprises in the industry that independently research and develop, design, and produce major parts. The self-production rate of core parts exceeds 85%. Stable raw materials, advanced production and testing equipment, strict quality control system, and fine management from spare part to home compressor are the foundation of Xinlei's energy-saving commitment to global customers. with strong integration ability of the upstream and downstream of the industrial chain. The company can effectively control production costs and greatly improve its competitiveness in the industry while maintaining stable and high-quality products.
From how to make people believe that Chinese enterprises have produced the world-leading products, through a large number of enterprises like Xinlei, we can see Chinese symbols and Chinese strengths, which is growth.
Some people compare aerodynamics to the industrial heart. On the first day of Xinlei's establishment, we firmly believe that a better and healthier heart is not a privilege. From food, clothing, housing, and transportation to major equipment, everyone can enjoy, which can jointly open up a new industrial pattern. This belief inspires all Xinlei people to continue to innovate, to promote the domestic traditional compressor technology and magnetic levitation centrifugal technology, to extend to the high end, and to expand the application of compressor technology in multiple scenarios.